Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to use Optiontics with WooCommerce. We will cover everything from installing the plugin and creating product options to assigning them to products and seeing how they appear on the storefront. Let's get started. First, we will install and activate the Optiontics plugin on our WordPress website. To get started, you will need to download the Optiontics plugin zip file. Open your browser and search for how to install Optiontics. Open the Theme Winter documentation page and scroll down until you find the Optiontics free plugin zip file. Click the download link and the file will begin downloading automatically. Once the download is complete, return to your WordPress dashboard. Navigate to Plugins, then click Add New Plugin. Next, select Upload Plugin. Click Choose File and upload the zip file you just downloaded. After the upload is complete, click Install Now and then activate. That's it. Optiontics is now successfully installed and ready to use on your WooCommerce website. Once the plugin is activated, you will see the Optiontics menu in your WordPress dashboard. Click on it to access the plugin settings and option management area. To create a new set of product options, click the Add Options button in the top right corner. A pop-up window will appear, giving you 3 different ways to get started. You can generate options with AI, choose from ready-made templates, or create everything from scratch. For this tutorial, we will continue by selecting the template option. Here, you will find a variety of pre-built templates designed for different use cases. Hover over any template to reveal 2 actions: View and Use This. Select View if you'd like to preview how the template looks. To start using a template immediately, click Use This. After selecting a template, you will see a collection of pre-configured option elements already added for you. These options can be used as product add-ons, allowing customers to customize their purchase directly from the product page. On the right-hand side, you will find customization settings for each element. From the Advanced Settings panel, you can edit titles, update descriptions, add new choices, or remove options that aren't needed. You can also choose whether to display the option title and mark the field as required using the controls available below. Every single element is fully customizable, giving you complete flexibility over how your product options are presented. If you would like to add additional option groups, simply click the Templates button and choose more elements to include in your configuration. Any selected add-ons will be purchased together with the main product during checkout. Once you are satisfied with your setup, click Publish. Next, choose how you would like to assign these options. You can apply them to individual products, multiple products, or entire product categories. For this example, we will select a specific product. Now choose the product you want these options to appear on. After reviewing your settings, click Update to save the configuration. Your product options have now been successfully assigned. Let's switch to the storefront and see how they appear from the customer's perspective. As you can see, the custom options are displayed directly on the product page, allowing customers to personalize their purchase before adding it to the cart. I will select a few options and add the product to the cart. Notice how the selected options, along with any additional charges, are automatically reflected in the cart totals. And that's how easy it is to use Optiontics with WooCommerce. With Optiontics, you can create flexible product customizations, offer additional services, increase order value, and deliver a better shopping experience for your customers. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to explore our other guides and documentation to learn even more about what you can do with Optiontics. We will see you in the next tutorial.